The Road to War: Life Under Nazi Occupation. This resource is to be utilized with Activity 4 of the package, The Road to War. Stories of Occupation. On each slide you will find a picture relating to what life was like under Nazi occupation. There are 2 questions that you will need to evaluate for each picture. Number 1, what word best describes the picture? Number 2, what's the story in the picture? After taking time to think about these questions, advance the slide to see what is the true story behind the picture. The experience of occupation. Occupation by the Nazis would transform everyday life for those who lived in an occupied country. Daily freedoms previously enjoyed were now restricted. Fear and intimidation became common tactics to get people to conform to life under Nazi rule, and there was no certainty that freedom would ever return.